In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OTG to iPhone XR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using OTG on an iPhone XR or any other model to transfer files is extremely simple. You will be able to connect it directly and then access all of the files available on an external storage device, on a flash drive, an SD card reader, or whatever it is that you are connecting. So to start, go over to the settings on your iPhone and access the Face ID and passcode category. Inside, you will be able to enable USB accessories. By doing this, you will ensure that the connection will be established properly and that it will not be interrupted midway through. So once this is enabled, you will be good to go. Now, purchase the corresponding adapter. Assuming that your iPhone has a Lightning port, you will usually need a Lightning to USB adapter. Alternatively, if you have a different port such as USB-C, just purchase the corresponding adapter for your model of iPhone. So plug one end of the adapter into the iPhone, in this case the iPhone XR, and for the other end, you will be able to plug in a USB flash drive, an external storage device, an SD card reader, or whatever it is that you are using. Immediately upon plugging it in, you will be able to access the Files application on your iPhone. By using the adapter and the device at the other end of the OTG, you will be able to access all of the files. So you can find them under the locations, and then you can tap that device to access the files. You can press and hold to move them about. You can choose the option to copy. You can navigate to the desired location on your iPhone, such as the Photos app, the Files app, and paste the files there, and you will be able to transfer as many times as you wish. The data transfer speed might depend on the adapter that you are using, but regardless, you will be able to find and transfer all of the files regardless. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to iPhone XR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.